Sorry guys, one more thing about calling them missions. What's the importance, the value? I see it, there's two things. One is we have this problem with swarming where we probably need people to show up at the same time. And with a mission, you could say the mission starts at 8 o'clock Eastern time. Show up. And we can do things like when you complete a mission with other people, like everyone can get a badge or something, or token. And there's something there, like we can complete missions together. And some missions can have like different values. And there's something here. I just think there's something there by calling it a mission. You get people to say like, okay, we need 15 people to swarm at 8 o'clock Eastern time. Our mission is we want to find, we want to do something. If you want to use a swarm to run a system, you might need to build things sometimes or do things, and having a mission would make more sense. And then sometimes missions can be paid for. We can say, hey, like we have this kitty of money, this mission, complete this mission, and it's worth X amount of dollars back to this, whatever swarm completes it. So the swarm can pay itself using that $20 a month to do stuff. Like, you know, things that are harder. Like, oh, you guys don't have money right now, you want some programming? Well, maybe get the swarm to pay you like a rate to program something for the swarm, right? Do you see what I mean? If everyone's paying $20 a month and there's 1,000 of us, could be a lot of money for you guys just right now to do some programming. So, but we call it a mission. Each mission can have value and each mission can be completed. And I'm thinking in terms of running systems, not just getting answers of questions. So I want to think ahead to that problem now. Like, how do we get groups of people to work together? Well, for me, put me on a mission. I like hobbies like birding and musky fishing because I like being outside, but I like being on missions, and those are missions. I'm looking for something. I'm on a quest. So we want to make that part of it inviting, and then there's purpose. Then it gives people purpose, which it sounds like it's just trivial, but to me, giving a swarm purpose I've seen results with it. I've seen better results when I was able to tell the swarm why are we doing this? What's the purpose of this? And a mission, we can have a mission statement, like for this swarms, this is a mission statement, and then we can say things like, this mission, we're going to swarm this 4 times, not just once. We're going to swarm 4 different times. We're going to do it, one of them, the last one, we're going to take a 24-hour break and re-swarm it. We just do weird things like that and clarify each experiment as like a mission, if that makes sense. Of course, you can just ask the swarm a question like, how many beans are in the jar? And then your mission is just to figure out how many beans are in the jar, right? But we can use swarms to try to figure out bigger things, I think. Anyways, I wanted to elaborate on that thought one more time. Thank you.